So when kids arrive with their parents to the garden, you can see the kids pulling their parents inside, insisting on visiting the maze. Because this is the one area in the garden where they can go on this crazy adventure of sort of getting lost and having fun at it. This feature is one of very few across North America. The maze is composed of over 2,000 hedging cedars. These cedars are known in Latin as Thuya occidentalis pyramidalis, and the pyramidalis refers to the tapered form that these cedars have. I'm not suggesting that you plant your own maze in your backyard, but if you have hedging cedars that you want to get going, and if you plant it at a time when there's not so much rainfall, you will have to make sure that you keep your eye on the watering of it. If you have newly planted cedars and you're trying to get them to bush out a little bit initially, you'll want to make sure that you've trimmed a little bit of the top growth off. That will allow your side shoots to start more robustly filling in. I'm getting lost. Oh yeah, I'm totally lost. There's a certain thrill factor. It is thrilling to be inside the maze, trying to find your way around. For me, to hear people's enthusiasm when they come to the garden looking for the maze is one of those moments when you know they're in store for a lot of fun.